Okay, so we'll be drawing these simple diagrams. These diagrams are for the AutoCAD beginners, so they'll help the beginners to understand how AutoCAD works. So first off, we'll have to start a new file with metric, and once you start this file, you can start working on it. Fine. So overall dimensions we can see here, they are 60 by 60. So I'll just take a line command, click here, and again, if you are not getting these markings for horizontal line, you have to make sure that the polar setting is on. The setting can be set to any angle, but it should be on. When it is off, you will not see anything. So turn it on and keep it in horizontal direction and feed the length. The length that we want is 60. And then up here in this direction again, we want another 60. So that's it. So these are the two lines that we need. So in order to complete this, I can again take in this direction 60 and back. So now we have the square. I can create multiple copies of this if we want. So now we want to start creating this. So now the gap for these lines have been set as 6. So we have to take offset of 6, O enter, 6 enter, and then go on clicking the line and which side of that line you want the offset. So I've clicked the line and I'm clicking this side. Continue doing that same thing till the whole box is completely filled with the lines. Do the same for horizontal lines. The whole box should be completely filled. So now we have overall 10 by 10 boxes over here. So now we need to delete a few of the lines. So we have to start here, the deletion. In order to delete, you have to give the trim command, which is TR, double enter, and then start deleting this. Alternate. Oops, undo. In case you are making a mistake in between somewhere, you can always press U enter, that will undo the previous command. Go on doing the same below here. So this is supposed to be up. This is going down, again up, again down. So next up here, okay, undo. This is supposed to come up. This is going down. So you have to continue doing the same thing. It's going below this. Again it will come above, and it will go below. Then here it will come this way. Then it has to come above, and then again it will go below. So now you can see the pattern is starting to come out. So here we are supposed to put it down, and here it will go down. Here this will go away, and here this is down. This is up. This is down. Finally here this will go down. Fine. So this appears like a number of threads which are running, interconnected with each other. So this diagram we have completed. Here in this diagram there is a small mistake here. These two lines the person has forgot to trim out. So we have done that as well here. Coming to the next diagram here, we have something like this. So in order to do this, we'll have to first join the diagonals. We'll have to join this diagonal over with this, and this one over to this. Now we know the offset values. Offset values are again set to 6. So give offset, O enter, 6 enter, and go on providing the offsets. You have to provide the offsets on both the sides. Same as previous case. You can zoom in a little if it is not working out properly, if you are unable to select the lines properly. Okay, then go for trim command, which is TR double enter, and trim it like this. Trim out all these lines right here. extra lines, you can just delete them, erase them directly. So now we are set. We have got all these boxes completely filled. Now we need to trim them. While trimming, you can see here along this dimension, along this diagonal, two boxes we are supposed to have. So starting here, TR double enter, I'm supposed to have two boxes. Just trim the alternate lines over here. Okay, so the middle diagonal is ready for us now. Now starting here, this side, we have to trim it like this. Starting here, we're supposed to trim this line first. And you can see this is a square, so we'll have to leave the square and trim the next one. Starting here, we'll have to trim this and this both. Then here we have to leave the square, trim it. So like this, alternate lines, we'll have to trim them away. So alternate lines, we'll have to trim it off. This, yeah. So we got this side. This side is ready. The same thing we have to do at the bottom side. So here you can see this is completely trimmed off. So here we have to trim it off. And then we'll have to trim this, then this one, then this one. So just look at the previous line, and wherever it is continuing, that one if you trim off, that will be sufficient. So this line is continuing over here, so trim that off, trim this off. This line is continuing, this line is continuing. Okay, that's it. So we got both the diagrams completed. This is how we are able to draw these particular diagrams. Thank you.